operator in America. Hi. Bell himself. So Emma became worked it for
Thunderstorm warning for Adams County in south central Pennsylvania until 3 p.m. Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Adams County in south central Pennsylvania until 3 p.m. East Berlin, Lake Heritage, Cashtown, Aspers, or Tana. Impact. Expect.
coming up.
York Springs, Heidlersburg, Ventersville, and Hunterstown. Alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Very heavy rainfall is occurring until 10 p.m. for south central Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following county: Adams, Pennsylvania.
.96.1 SOX.